Holy Mother of God. I just climbed 124 steps plus the mountain. And it's redonkulous. What did we do?
We made it!
Look at this motherfucking lighthouse. For a freaking lighthouse. How nice. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, imagine if I dropped my phone.
Oh no.
We came all the way down there. Look at this freaking view. Look at this view. Look at that there. It's beautiful.
Look at that.
Look at that there.
Look at that. Look at there. Oh,
Look,
someone have a
it's
marker?
a long way down.
Little road stuff.
Look at that man walking there.
Do you have a marker?
He cray. He cray.
What man
We cray. That man. He gone. All right. Now, I just want you to look at this view.
I'm so tired.
Oh, the air is cool. And Whitney's putting her leg over the ledge. She cray. She cray. Look at this huzzy right here.
Actually, come behind her.
Okay, ready? Thanks. Bye.